back with another video, guys. It's been a very long time since I've made a long format video for you here at Carl's Garage. I know you guys are like, hey Carl, where you been? I've been busy working a lot, but I have been making a lot of shorts and I have been putting a lot of my content for Carl's Garage. Beep. I have been putting a lot, I missed it twice. I have been making a lot of my content and putting it on my new TikTok, which is going viral. I got some great videos over there, guys. So definitely check out the Carl's Garage TikTok. Also, I just hit 6,000 subscribers on YouTube. So thank you guys for all the supporters over there. I know I'm using this axe. This is probably gonna be my new tool. I found this while taking my family trick-or-treating. But today's video is about Carl's Garage. So I wanted to thank two people. I wanted to thank Miss Amanda and Miss Brandy, because I was able to help both of them get their engines replaced. We'll start with Miss Brandy since she's the last person in here, but I also wanted to read, this video is gonna be a little bit longer than my shorts, because I was able to help Miss Brandy using both of my books. She purchased the Kia Engine Guide, the handbook, special guide to getting your engine replaced. And if you guys don't know, both books are digital, but this book is going to come with documents pertaining to all of the cars that are involved in the engine settlement program. And then this is the script book, and this book is going to come with everything that you need to say, specifically special things that you need to say to them in order to persuade them to basically move forward and replace your engine, because a lot of people don't want to do that. These dealers are going to do everything they can to not replace your engine. So I'm going to put this down for just a second, and then I'm going to go ahead and read to you guys her email in which she had a concern after getting her son's Kia Optima engine replaced. She has a Kia Soul and she thought that it's not available. So I'm going to read to you exactly what I replied to her. So if you purchase the books, you're going to get all your responses directly from me, and you're also going to get scripts and help. So she said, big thanks. I was able to get my son's engine replaced on his Optima for free. So again, my books work. They've been helping thousands of people since 2020. I used to have a 2015 Kia Optima and my engine was failing, and I had to do all of this stuff, the KSDS and everything possible in order to get my local Beck & Maston dealership to say, okay, whenever your engine does actually fail, we will replace it. So I have a vast amount of experience doing this. Your script, she said, your script does not include Kia Souls, which just isn't true. It does. The script includes Kia Souls, but the handbook is what's most important. That's the book that includes all of the documents that show Kia Soul 2012, 2013, so on and so forth. Looking online, I see it is listed on some websites. It doesn't sound like here that she used my free eligibility checker, which you can use by your VIN number and type in the year, make, and model of your car. You put it in and I wrote it, it's AI backed. So the NHTSA website, Kia and Hyundai's websites, they're not AI backed. So they have a small database of cars that whenever you put in your information, it probably won't show that it's listed. Whereas my database is AI backed and is always learning and will always give you okay? My daughter's getting bit on. Will always give you the best case scenario on if your car is listed. And the reason, what's different about my AI-backed software that I wrote, my free eligibility checker available at carls-garage.com, is that you will also get a title check. So mine will determine if you have a clean title or a salvage title. Because if you don't know if you have a salvage title, you can't get your engine replaced. You're just done, you're dead in the water. So that's something that's very important that I want you guys to understand, that my software at Carls-Garage provides versus anybody else. And I wrote it myself, so it's 100% real and made by me and AI backed. I have a 2012 Kia Soul that I have severe knocking in the engine. Can this be covered for a free engine replacement as well? I said, hi, Brandy. That's incredible news. I'm glad to hear you and your son's Optima engine was replaced. That's exactly how the process is supposed to go when you use the right approach, which is my books. Now, regarding your 2012 Kia Soul, yes, the model can absolutely qualify for a free engine replacement, even though it's not listed in some of the earlier recall paperwork, whereas my book, my first book, includes all of the paperwork. And then backed by Carls-Garage eligibility checker, where you put in your information, your VIN number, and you're going to get all the latest information on your vehicle. The key is that the Kia launched a broader program under the Knock Sensor Detection System, KSDS campaign, SC 200, which covers Souls built with the 1.6 liter Gamma and 2.0 liter NU engines that experience knocking or internal failure symptoms. Here's what to say when you call or visit the dealership. Here's a script. I'm not gonna read this whole email that I wrote, but I'll read to you guys one of the scripts that I wrote for her. Script for calling the dealership. Hi, I'm calling about an active engine recall or warranty extension on my 2012 Kia Soul. The engine is knocking and running rough, and I believe it's part of the KSDS or extended warranty program. Can you please look up my VIN in your campaign or warranty database, not just a public list recall? If they say no recall found, reply with this. I understand, but can you please double check under the internal service campaigns or warranty extensions for the engine replacement and KSDS program? It may not show as an open recall, but still qualifies for coverage. So this is stuff that you can say over the phone or you can say in person. I also have an in-person script here as well. So this is the stuff that I provide that no one else on the internet period provides to help you get your engine replaced. And Kia and Hyundai hate it. They hate me for this. They truly hate me for it, but it's right. I went through it and I am dedicated to helping people do it. Now, again, yes, I'm selling 2 books. Both of those books combined are $45, but all of the information in those books is available through all of my 500 plus videos on Straight Outta Content and Carl's Garage. All of my videos are for free if you want to sit through and watch that. But the reason why people like the books is because they're able to just read it and get an answer super fast, super quick, and just go ahead and move forward. And this person right here, Miss Amanda, that was Brandy, and then also huge shouts out to, let me go here to Amanda Brown. She says, approved and already put a different motor at the Hyundai in Cool Springs outside of Nashville, Tennessee. So it's cool that she gave a shout out to that dealership. So shouts out to Hyundai in Cool Springs outside of Nashville, Tennessee. Just picked it up, super easy. Thanks for your content. So I just want to make this video, long format video, to say thank you to those 2 people. Thank you for talking about that dealership, because we all need to. I always mention Beck and Maston here in the Houston area. They're a great dealership. They've always replaced people's engines. As far as I know, I've been sending them for 5 years now. They were ready to replace my engine. This dealership, and if there's a dealership that you know that will replace your engine, leave it in the comments down below, and so that I can shout them out in my next video. So again, guys, go ahead, close out this video. Carl's Garage Script Book, Carl's Garage Handbook. Oh, sorry, upside down. These are the 2 books that you need, as you just seen me read 2 customers' experiences, and I've been helping thousands of customers for the last 5 years. These are the books that you need if you have a Kia or Hyundai from about 2010 to about 2019. Now, I know that there are a lot of people who are having a lot of issues with all these new Hyundais. My daughter's mother, her 2024 Hyundai SUV motor blew, and she doesn't have any help because there's no current recall. There's no current class action lawsuit. So it's unfortunate I'm not able to help her or a lot of these other people. Chelly's cousin, she had a Telluride or something. Those engines are popping. It's unfortunate that these engines are popping, and those 2, her mother, my daughter who's filming, her mother was a first-time buyer. She owned a car. It's not like that it was a used car. So it's unfortunate. So again, if you need any help, especially from the cars 2010 through 2019, 2020, with the NUMPI engines or the 1.6 liter, 2 liters, or the 2.4 liters, I am able to help you. Just email me, check out carls-garage.com, subscribe to this channel, go over to my TikTok, follow me, Carls-Garage on TikTok as well. Follow, and let's continue to chop these guys down and fight the good fight. Carl's Garage, I'm out.